Hi, we have a lovely couple with us, Rebecca and her husband. And today we are going to talk about endometriosis. शायद ये शब्द आपने कभी सुना हो, आपके रिलेटिव में हो, या आपको रिसेंटली डायग्नोसिस हो और आपको इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता. तो Rebecca will tell you what she experienced, how painful was it, and what did she do.
I was diagnosed in January, and before that, my journey was. I used to think it's just actually gastric pain, but when I came to you, I realized that I have this issue.
पहले सुना था कभी?
I knew about endometriosis. I knew what it was. I seen it in movies. I knew what, but I never expected that I would also have it. Nobody thinks that you can have such disorders, and when you read it about it on the internet, it's like it has no cure, it can come back, so it scares you.
तो गूगल पे जो इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है वो बहुत पूरी जनता के लिए होती है, तो उस पे 100% रिलाई ना करें. एंड एवरी पर्सन्स जर्नी इज डिफरेंट. Rebecca wanted to be louder so that our audience can hear you properly.
The loudest ever.
She's a very dancer. She's a big dancer, and we are gynecologists with bold voice. हाँ, तो कैसे सिम्टम्स रहते हैं एंडोमेट्रियोसिस में? आपकी क्या जर्नी थी? What were the complaints?
It mostly started with the back pain.
Back pain.
And heavy periods.
Okay.
And a lot of dysmenorrhea was there.
So painful periods and pain which is unexplained. So like I said, ना कुछ जरूरी नहीं है कि अल्ट्रासाउंड में भी बहुत कुछ दिखे, बट पेशेंट होता है जो फील करता है पेन. सर आप बताइए, जब ये पेन कहते थे तो आपको कभी दिखा या कुछ अल्ट्रासाउंड में कुछ बहुत ज्यादा नहीं आया, तभी MRI वगैरह हुआ? सो एज अ केयर गिवर, व्हाट डिड यू एक्सपीरियंस विद दैट?
I was feeling that something is wrong because the pain she was telling was तो लगा था. Every other day she'd say there's pain. So this was not the normal gastric pain, I thought. So finally we went to a doctor who gave to and this is where we came to know कि ऐसी बात है, and we explained that there is a cure and how to go about it.
So no matter how severe the disease is, there are options available. Science has developed. So इस टाइम पे मैं बात करूँगी, Rebecca, what surgery did you undergo and how did it impact your future needs और क्या हमने overcome किया है? So tell me about the surgery that you underwent first.
So after medication, we finally decided.
So there are chances of first medical treatment, and sometimes in endometriosis, medical treatment is not the right way, or it will not subside completely. But still, a trial should be given, especially in young couples.
So that happened with me. So the medical intervention didn't work. That's when we decided to
Go for a surgery. Yes.
And it was a robotic surgery. And
So आपने robotic के बारे में पहले सुना था?
no.
No.
Not in terms of funding.
So how did you kind of do your research? How did you come to know what the robot is? What does it do?
We watched your handle and saw it through that.
Social media can be very fruitful. And did you get a clear explanation of the video? Like, did you understand then what is happening?
We understood everything what is going to happen. Completely prepared, and
Good.
You and your team helped us with that lot.
So फिर robotic surgery हुआ. फिर ovaries हमने we could preserve.
That was the main goal, which was set that the ovarian reserve has to be maintained.
Yes.
So that future whenever that is one thing
Plan.
that we don't want to get affected.
Right.
So now that next steps that we can develop of this.
Right. So this is where I want to tell you that robotic surgery makes it possible to preserve the normal ovarian tissue. यानी कि normal ovary को preserve करके जो सिर्फ disease है उसको अच्छे से निकाला जाता है. इसके दो फायदे हैं. एक कि जो disease है वो पूरी तरीके से निकल जाए, जो आपस में ये endometriosis चिपका चिपकी कर देता है adjacent structures के साथ, उसको अच्छे से छुटाया जा सके. और सेकंड कि जो नॉर्मल ओवेरियन टिश्यू है उसको प्रिजर्व किया जा सके, यूट्रस यानी कि बच्चेदानी को प्रिजर्व किया जा सके. जैसे कि ये यंग कपल है, ये आपस में डिसाइड करके आगे की फर्टिलिटी, चाइल्ड बियरिंग, जो इनको लोगों को बहुत गलत फहमी होती है कि बच्चा नहीं हो सकता है, इस मिथ को तोड़ा जा सके. So sir, आप बताइए कि आपको क्या experience हुआ, कितना you stay in Agra, they are from Agra. So how was your convenience and how did robotic surgery help? उनको कोई blood loss नहीं हुआ, ICU stay नहीं था, pain was minimal. She did have a viral illness, but tell me about the convenience and how robotic surgery helps in terms of the active lifestyle जो आपका.
It was very helpful in the sense that she could walk very soon. I think the day after the surgery she was walking, and as soon as she was discharged from the hospital, she walked to the car and got down from the car and even climbed the stairs.
तो आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि कई लोगों ने तो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर अपना घर फर्निश करवा दिया कि सीढ़ियाँ नहीं चढ़ सकते. So but no, you can climb stairs, you can be active. और उसके बाद खाना पीना भी ठीक से, and you think you can resume your work also very quickly. And with the caregivers also, because when a person is going through something, caregivers also have double responsibility. So it kind of caters to that as well. तो आप अगर महिला है जिनको घर की देखभाल करनी है, बच्चों को स्कूल छोड़ना है, हस्बैंड का ख्याल रखना है, तो अगर इस डर से अगर आप सर्जरी नहीं करवाती हैं तो आपका नुकसान है, क्योंकि एंड में ये बात डबल होके आपके सर पे आएगी. So would you have any takeaway message for our viewers when it comes to endometriosis and robotic excision for endometriosis? आपका क्या मैसेज और आपका क्या मैसेज? Any message to any lady who's undergoing all of this?
I would just say I understand what you're going through. We all understand what you're going through, but there is a solution, and it's very helpful. So if surgery is the option for you, just go for it. It gets better. Life is better now.
Trust your doctor, listen to him or her, and I'm sure whatever procedure they take, we took the laparoscopy to robotic intervention, which was very convenient for us, and as a caregiver, it was very easy on me to take care of her. So I recommend that. Go with the doctor's.
Trust your doctor, do your research, take use of advanced technology, stay healthy and stay safe.